Yeah, pretty neat. Yeah, I'll definitely be coming back here to operate a diesel locomotive for sure. I don't know what the tickets cost. I'm going to try to find out while I'm here. Hopefully it's under $100. I'd be willing to pay $100, I guess. That's kind of a once in a lifetime experience. But hopefully it's not more than that, because I really don't want to pay more than that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed walking around with me here. These couplings always amazes me. They're so big, so heavy duty. Why can't we get stuff like this at the hardware store? Proper size stuff.